Alright guys, let's check this out. So it's been a few days already. I installed the seats. And let's see how it cleaned out. So you can still see some spots that weren't really taken out, but just remember how it was before, right? I bought this thing. It's a outer eliminator, so for homes and office or auto. I don't know, it still has the smell. I don't know if it's just a bunch of rocks in there, and I don't know, I can still smell the smoke in the back seat. So I don't know if that really is helping, but here's the front seats, how they cleaned out. Still has the stain. See, you guys can still see the stain right there. So I went on the Home Depot and I bought this guy, the carpet spot remover. Got recommended. He said it's gonna remove all the stains. So I did try it, and I wish you could have showed you. There was a black engine oil. You know, when you work on a car, you have black hands, and I touched there and it's cleaned. So let's check this out. So just a spray. Just spray. Oh, dang it. It's not really. So I'll spray it out. And it doesn't need to be a wash. It just says to spray it on, and that's it. So this is my other solution. So hope it works, and when it dries out. So yeah. So that carpet cleaner did clean it, but it didn't remove the stains that I had. Maybe it's just the shampoo that was inside there, or the remover, the cleaner that was inside the box. Maybe it's not so well, you know. Maybe you can put another washing thing and maybe it'll clean the stains. But this is how it looks after. And there's also a video link below. After this video, you'll see how it was before. The seats were very dirty, very dirty. So yeah. Also did get this, my new mirror, matching to the color, no paint needed, for 50 bucks. You see, it's nice. Still has the like numbers on it. I still have to erase, but yeah, that's the only thing I fixed on this car. I still need to put some wheel covers on it, and it's ready to sell. So take care guys, like, subscribe, and I'll be experimenting more stuff that are for sale, and see if they actually work or not. So great. So yeah, thanks guys, bye.